Hello, hello, little learners! Welcome to Kids Cartoon Bonanza! Are you ready for a yummy adventure? Today, we are going to learn about fruits! Fruits are colorful, tasty, and very healthy. They help us grow strong, active, and happy. Let's jump into our fruit basket and start learning!
1. Apple. This is an apple. Apples are round and crunchy. They can be red, green, or yellow. Apples help keep our body healthy and strong. 2. Banana. This is a banana. Bananas are long and yellow. They are soft and sweet inside. Bananas give us quick energy. 3. Orange. This is an orange. Oranges are round and juicy. They have a thick peel. Oranges help keep us from getting sick. 4. Mango. This is a mango. Mangoes are sweet and juicy. They are yellow or orange inside. Mango is called the king of fruits. 5. Grapes. These are grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. They can be green or purple. Grapes are small, sweet, and juicy. 6. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red and heart-shaped. They have tiny seeds on the outside. Strawberries smell sweet and taste yummy. 7. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapples have rough skin. They are sweet and sour. Pineapples grow on plants, not trees. 8. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelons are big and green outside. They are red and juicy inside. Watermelons keep us cool in summer. 9. Papaya. This is a papaya. Papayas are orange inside. They are soft and sweet. Papayas help our tummy stay healthy. 10. Pear. This is a pear. Pears have a round bottom and narrow top. They are green or yellow. Pears are soft and juicy. 11. Peach. This is a peach. Peaches have soft, fuzzy skin. They are sweet and juicy. Peaches have one big seed inside. 12. Plum. This is a plum. Plums are small and round. They can be red or purple. Plums are sweet and slightly sour. 13. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Kiwis are brown outside. They are green inside with tiny black seeds. Kiwis are very healthy fruits. 14. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranates have hard skin. They are full of red, juicy seeds. Pomegranates are very good for our body. 15. Cherry. This is a cherry. Cherries are small and red. They grow on trees. Cherries taste sweet and juicy. 16. Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Blueberries are small and blue. They grow on bushes. Blueberries are very good for our brain and eyes. 17. Raspberry. This is a raspberry. Raspberries are soft and red. They are made of many tiny parts. Raspberries taste sweet and a little sour. Blackberry. This is a blackberry. Blackberries are dark purple or black. They grow on thorny plants. Blackberries are juicy and healthy. 19. Lemon. This is a lemon. Lemons are yellow and sour. They have a strong smell. Lemons are used to make drinks and food tasty. Number 20. Lime. This is a lime. Limes look like small green lemons. They taste very sour. Limes are full of juice. 21. Coconut. This is a coconut. Coconuts have a hard shell. Inside is white flesh and coconut water. Coconuts grow on tall palm trees. 22. Avocado. This is an avocado. Avocados are green outside. They are soft and creamy inside. Avocados are very healthy fruits. 23. Fig. This is a fig. Figs are soft and sweet. They have many tiny seeds inside. Figs grow on trees. 24. Date. This is a date. Dates are brown and sweet. They grow on palm trees. Dates give lots of energy. 25. Guava. This is a guava. Guavas can be green or yellow. They have many small seeds. Guavas are rich in vitamins. 26. Lychee. This is a lychee. Lychees have rough red skin. They are white and juicy inside. Lychees taste very sweet. 27. Apricot. This is an apricot. Apricots are small and orange. They are soft and juicy. Apricots have one hard seed inside. 28. Cranberry. This is a cranberry. Cranberries are small and red. They taste sour. Cranberries are often used in drinks. 29. Nectarine. This is a nectarine. Nectarines look like peaches. They have smooth skin. Nectarines are sweet and juicy. 30. Passion fruit. This is a passion fruit. Passion fruits have wrinkled skin. They are full of seeds and juice. Passion fruits taste sweet and sour.
Great job, kids! You learned 30 fruit names today. Fruits are colorful, tasty, and healthy. They help us grow strong and happy. Remember to eat fruits every day. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Kids Cartoon Bonanza for more fun learning adventures. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and keep learning!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.